Get ready for the dictation. Start. Learned counsel for the accused appellants submits that the appellant number 2, Balram, had died and in this regard, CJM, Azamgarh has submitted its reported dated 14/9/2021 stop para. Considering the report of the CJM, Azamgarh, appeal against the appellant number 2, Balram stands abated stop para. Heard Sri Durgesh Kumar Singh, learned counsel for the surviving appellants, Dr. S.B. Maurya, learned AGA and perused the record stop para. This criminal appeal has been filed against a judgment dated 1/8/1981 passed by the 4th Additional District and Sessions Judge, Azamgarh in ST number 72 of 1977, whereby learned judge had convicted the appellants under sections 307/34 IPC and sentenced them to undergo 4 years rigorous imprisonment stop para. The prosecution story in brief is that an FIR of the incident was lodged on 1/12/1974 in which it has been mentioned that on 1/12/1974, Pujan Rai, the uncle of the informant, was threshing the crop of paddy at his door, and at that time the accused Narsingh Rai came at the house of his neighbor Dhanesar and was talking with him. Stop. Regarding engagement of labor, Pujan Rai asked the accused Narsingh Rai to contest the litigation peacefully, and it is not proper to beat or prevent the labor, and on this, an altercation took place between them, and thereafter accused Narsingh Rai abused the informant's uncle, and accused Triloki Rai has threatened to kill him. Stop. The accused Narsingh Rai along with his family members, armed with lathi danda and country-made pistol, came at the door of the informant, and on exhortation, accused Narsingh Rai had assaulted upon the head of Pujan Rai, and thereafter Pujan Rai fell down, and then accused appellant Mahendra had assaulted on his knee by lathi. Stop. The PW4 Dr. Santosh Kumar Srivastav has examined the injured, and he found that the injuries, which were caused by hard and blunt object, were simple in nature. Stop. The investigating officer, after completion of investigation, has submitted charge sheet. Stop para. The trial court recorded statements of the witnesses, and after hearing the argument of both the sides, convicted the appellants as aforesaid. Stop para. At the very outset, learned counsel for the appellants, on instructions stated that he does not propose to challenge the impugned judgment and order on its merits. Stop. He, however, prayed for modification of the order of the sentence for the period already undergone by the appellants. Stop para. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that initially the FIR was lodged against 10 persons and only 2 persons were convicted by the trial court, and the specific role assigned to by the surviving appellant, that he had assaulted injured Pujan Rai on his knee, and other accused Narsingh Rai was assigned the role of assaulting him on his head. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant has further submitted that the accused Narsingh Rai had died during the trial. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant has further submitted that the present surviving accused should not be convicted under section 307 IPC, and he should have been convicted under sections 323 or 325 IPC, and he has further submitted that he does not want to press the appeal on merit as the present appellant is 85 years of age. Stop. He next submits that although the trial court has convicted the present accused on the basis of mere conjecture, while the appellant is absolutely innocent and has been falsely implicated in this case with the ulterior intention of harassing him. Stop. Further submission is that there is no bread earner in the family of the appellant. Stop. He also submits that on the question of legality of sentence, he is not pressing this appeal and only pressing on the quantum of sentence, and he has prayed for taking a lenient view considering the age of the accused and their age related ailments. Stop. Para. Learned AGA has vehemently opposed the submission made by learned counsel for the appellant. Stop. He has, however, submits that if slight reduction in sentence is made, he has no objection. Stop. Para. I have perused the entire material available on record and the evidence as well as judgment of the trial court, the learned counsel for the accused appellant does not want to press the appeal on its merit and requests to take a lenient view of the matter. Stop.